Good morning, everyone. Since I only have a couple of minutes, let me jump right in. Over the past few months, many neighbors, some who I know and others I don't, have asked me, "Hey Dan, I hear you're suing the HOA. Is that true? And if so, why?" Well, I can tell you the answer is no. No, I am not suing the HOA. Now, that doesn't mean I wouldn't sue somebody for the right reasons if I had to. I can also tell you for the past 650 days, I've been trying to get a very serious and well-documented maintenance issue in the alley behind my home fixed. So far, even though the board's own experts agree there's a serious problem, it still has not been fixed. In fact, the board has canceled 3 arbitration meetings at the last minute, claiming they needed more time to study the issue. Now, the board and its attorney has ignored our numerous requests over the past 2 months at no small cost to me to reschedule a 4th date for the arbitration meeting. Still no 4th meeting scheduled. In fact, the Watercolors board hired an engineering firm a few months ago. I've been told at a cost to the HOA of between $5,000 and $9,000 to conduct a big study of the maintenance and drainage issues in the alley. While I can't give you a copy of the 15-page report that the consultant presented, the board owns it. The consultant told the board, and I'll paraphrase, not only is Mr. Steele right, it's a serious issue, it's actually worse than Mr. Steele reported. I hope the board will give you a copy of the report. You paid for it. I also understand that the Watercolors' own insurance company told the board it is liable for the maintenance of the alley behind the homes. Well, I wish I could get into all the details. Unfortunately, time just doesn't permit it. So I've set up a new website, 92253watercolors.com. Again, it's 92253watercolors.com. Check it out and watch the video and read the documentation, 92253watercolors.com. Then ask yourself, what would you do if this was your home? My email is on the website. I'd love to get your thoughts. Thank you very much.